guys, my name is Angela and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 per month monthly subscription, but every 3 months they've recently started doing a deluxe box, which is $49.99 per month. That includes 4 of the full-size items that are in the smaller box into the deluxe box. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. So this month's theme is 'Tis the Season, and there is a play on words. Season is spelled S-E-A to give it more of a tropical Christmas vibe. So this is the first item in the box, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. So this is the first item in the box. It is a wristlet from Crimes of Beauty, and there's also a portable charger on the inside, and as you can see here, it just says Glam AF in white letters. This pouch is black faux leather with gold detailing here at the top. So inside of the bag there is a portable charger that says the brand, which is Crimes of Beauty. And that's just what it looks like, and it also comes with a little cord for multiple phones. This wristlet charger duo retails for $22. Next item in the box is actually the product that I picked for this month. So if you didn't know, Boxycharm had the chance, if you had the luxe version, that you would get to pick one of the items that was going into your box. And this month we had the option between a hair straightener and a little Protégé palette by Suva. And I picked the Suva Beauty palette. So here is the palette open. You have very warm and cool tone colors. You have 6 shadows and 2 highlighting shades.
Jingle bell, the
Suva Beauty palette retails for $34. The third item in the box is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This anti-aging cream is supposed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So here is what the marine cream looks like, and it retails for $89. The next thing in the box is from Spongelle, and it is a body wash infused buffer. This buffer is supposed to massage, nourish, exfoliate, and cleanse the skin. It is reusable as well, and it smells amazing. And here's what that buffer looks like. This sponge retails for $20. The next thing I have is from Grande Cosmetics, and it is their GrandeMascara. It comes in this gold bullet-like tube. Here is what that wand looks like, and it retails for $25. The next item that I have in my box is from Tarte Cosmetics, and is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade Insta-Famous. So here is what that shade looks like, and it retails for $20.
Jingle bell.
The next item in the box is from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics. It is their Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder in the shade 147, Matte About It. And it has this gorgeous, cute packaging. This setting powder retails for $32. The next thing in the box has to be what I'm most excited about, and it is the Luxie Beauty Rose Gold Complete Face Set. So it has the Luxie 532, which is a round top blender, the Luxie 522, which is a tapered highlighting brush, the Luxie 680 Pro Precision brush, the Luxie 229 tapered blending, Luxie 213 eye shading, Luxie 221 flat definer, Luxie 201 brow and lash spoolie, and Luxie 160 lip brush. Luxie Beauty is a cruelty-free brand, and they have amazing brushes. These are my favorite brushes of all time, and so I'm super excited about that. This brush set retails for $65. The final thing in this box is the Violet Voss Pro HG palette, which is the Holy Grail palette. It is filled with 20 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades ranging in finish from matte to metallic to satin. This brand is vegan, cruelty-free, and this palette retails for $45.
Jingle bell. Jingle bell.
everything in my BoxyLuxe for this month. If you like this type of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell if you want to be notified of the next time that I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.